Hey, James White here, Bull Market Stock Trades. This is part 2 of the candlestick charting video. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure you go back and watch it, or else you're not going to be able to fully understand these terms and these patterns that I'm talking about. So after you watch part 1, you will recognize these names: the hammer, inverted hammer, bullish engulfing, tweezer bottoms, Morningstar Doji, Gravestone Doji, Dragonfly Doji, and three white soldiers. These are very basic, simple, and popular candlestick patterns, and I'm going to show examples of each one of those now. First is the hammer. So you see here we have a downtrend into the hammer. We have the body with the tail here, and after we get the hammer, we go straight into an uptrend. Another example of the hammer, there's two on this chart. We have a downtrend here. We have our hammer form. This is also tweezer bottoms, but we're looking at the hammer that formed right here. And there was also a slight downtrend here, also into a hammer that went into an uptrend. So you can see two examples of that in this slide. The inverted hammer, it's the same thing. It's flipped upside down. You can see we have our downtrend here into an inverted hammer. We have the body with the longer tail on top. Over here you can see there's a couple hammers right here. There's two consecutive hammers that went up into an uptrend, but this is the inverted hammer. Again, downtrend into the inverted hammer. We have the body with the long wick on top. Over here we also had a downtrend into a inverted hammer with the body and the long wick on top. Again, these can be green or red. It's better if it's green, but either way it's an inverted hammer. Bullish engulfing. With a bullish engulfing we have a downtrend into a red candle. The red candle is swallowed by a green candle. The lows and the highs of the green candle are both larger than the red candle, and we go immediately into a large uptrend. Bullish engulfing again, a red candle swallowed by a green candle, from a downtrend into an uptrend. Again, a downtrend into a bullish engulfing and into a very nice uptrend here. One more bullish engulfing. Huge dip, huge downtrend here, and a green candle swallowing a red candle. Bullish engulfing into an uptrend. Next one is the tweezer bottom, similar to the bullish engulfing, but now our candles are the exact same size. So we have a downtrend into a red candle, which also looks like a hammer, but what we're looking at is that we have a second green candle that is the body of it is the exact same size, and we immediately go into an uptrend. Another tweezer bottom, we have a small downtrend here. We have the red body and the green body. They don't line up perfectly, but they're close, and you can see after we get the tweezer bottom formation, we go into a massive uptrend here. The Morningstar Doji, we have a downtrend into a Morningstar Doji. It looks similar to a hammer, but the body of the candlestick is centered in the middle with an equally sized wick on the bottom and top. Can be red or green, but this is the Morningstar Doji. Downtrend, reversal, uptrend. Another Morningstar Doji. We come down. It's that small guy right in here. It looks like a cross. That is a Morningstar Doji, and so this would be our buy signal. We come down, this is our bar signal. We buy in here and we ride this up. You sell somewhere in here, you get your piece of pie, you exit, you take your profits. The Gravestone Doji. Similar to the hammer, but the body sits all the way at the very bottom, and it's very thin with a super long tail. So we have a downtrend into the Gravestone Doji, and we immediately get a nice spike here. Another Gravestone Doji, downtrend. The body is all the way at the bottom and it's small. We have an extra long tail, and we immediately get signaled into an uptrend. The Dragonfly Doji, same as the Gravestone Doji, but now we're flipped. So we have a downtrend into a Dragonfly. We've got the small body at the top with the extra long tail. You can see there was a dragonfly doji here. This one failed to catch on. It was followed up by a second dragonfly doji, and this one did catch on, and we triggered the uptrend. Another dragonfly doji, got a massive gap down into a downtrend. We get our dragonfly body at the top, it's small, and extra long tail immediately into an uptrend. 3 white soldiers. We have 3 consecutive green candlesticks. The other ones can be red or green. This one has to be green. 3 consecutive green candlesticks, same size. They're all moving up. 1, 2, 3, and we go into a large uptrend. And again, 3 white soldiers. 1, 2, 3. They're all green. They're all similar in size, and we go into a massive uptrend. That's it for these 2 videos. That's basic candlestick charting. Very easy buy and sell signals there. Sign up for my free stock alerts and learning lessons at www.bullmarketstocktrades.com and like me on Facebook at Bull Market Stock Trades. Thanks and have a great day.